One person died and 11 were missing after flash floods hit near Lake Toba in Indonesia's North Sumatra province, with scores of people evacuated and rescue efforts underway. Heavy rain followed by flash floods on Friday evening hit the region located on the shores of the lake, damaging dozens of houses, a church, a school, and a hotel. The flash floods dragged large stones, trees, and mud down hillsides, leaving some houses buried to the roof. Around 300 people using heavy equipment were carrying out search and rescue efforts, while about 200 people had been evacuated. Lake Toba, the world's biggest volcanic lake, is a popular tourist destination for Indonesians and international visitors.